Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best rear view mirror is probably one of the most underrated safety features for your car, especially when it comes to parking and reversing. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rear view mirrors, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to enhance your driving experience. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new one, this video is packed with insights to make your decision easier. Number 5. Itomoro Baby Car Mirror, 1080p, 360 degrees view. Introducing the Itomoro Baby Car Mirror. This innovative mirror allows parents to keep a watchful eye on their little ones without taking their eyes off the road. It enhances safety and provides peace of mind while driving. The Itomoro mirror features an upgraded night vision function. This ensures a clear and bright view of your child, even during nighttime drives. You can eliminate worries and insecurities with this feature. Enjoy a complete view of your baby with a 360 degrees rotating camera and 149 degrees wide-angle lens. The camera provides a crystal clear image without any distortion. It's easy to adjust for the perfect view. Installation is a breeze with the Itomoro Baby Car Mirror. Simply strap the camera to the headrest and connect the monitor to the power supply. It starts working immediately, automatically displaying the back seat. Unlike other mirrors, this one is engineered to remain stable while driving. It ensures safe and stress-free travel for you and your newborn. The mirror stays firmly in place, providing a reliable view. What we like. This baby car mirror stands out with its center console placement, offering a unique and safe viewing angle. The enhanced night vision ensures you can always see your baby, day or night. If you have a car with a center console, or prioritize a clear, stable view, you should consider this. What people say. The camera quality is great. The installation was easy. The mirror is clear and provides a wide view. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dashcam. This dashcam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display provides a wider view, reducing blind spots for safer driving. With the included GPS antenna, you can see real-time data directly on the dashcam. You can also connect to your phone via Wi-Fi using the WOLFBOX app to view, playback, and share videos. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, giving you a broader view to minimize blind spots. The split-screen function lets you monitor both views at once, and the curved screen blends seamlessly with your car. The G840S has an upgraded LCD to reduce daytime reflections. It uses WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting and a professional-grade sensor for superior image quality, making night driving easier. Besides on-the-road safety, this camera also has a 24-hour parking monitor. It uses time-lapse recording to save power and storage while keeping an eye on your vehicle. A hardwire kit is needed for parking monitoring. WOLFBOX provides customer service to help with any questions. The dashcam has a 12-month guarantee. Remember to use original accessories to ensure the guarantee covers any issues. What we like. This dashcam offers stunning 4K clarity, ensuring every detail is captured. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, it's easy to share and track your drives. If you are looking for comprehensive recording and parking surveillance, this is the one for you. What people say. The mirror is easy to install. The camera quality is great. The mirror has a wide viewing angle. Number 3. Itomoro Baby Car Camera with HD Night Vision. This baby car camera provides a clear view of your little one. You can easily observe the baby without taking your eyes off the road. It's the perfect helper for every trip. Equipped with a high-definition camera and night vision, this ensures a clear view even in low-light conditions. You can drive with peace of mind, knowing you can always see your baby. The camera is easy to install in minutes, with no tools required. Simply plug the power cord into the cigarette lighter, and the monitor will automatically display the back seat. It's suitable for most car models. The sucker bracket can be used on the center console or windshield. You can adjust the angle and length for the best view. This ensures the screen stays stable while driving. The camera base rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to see your child from any angle. No matter where the child sits, you can adjust the camera to get a clear view. What we like. This baby car camera provides a clear view of your baby, placed on the center console. The HD night vision ensures visibility in low light, and the 360-degree rotation offers flexible positioning. If you like the convenience of a center console setup and need clear night vision, this is a great choice. What people say. The picture is clear and crisp even at night. Crystal clear night vision. Even in low light, the camera provides a sharp, clear image, making it perfect for nighttime drives. Wide-angle view. Captures a full view of the car seat, unlike mirrors that require you to find the right angle manually. Number 2. WOLFBOX G900 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 2.5K for the rear. It captures everything in exceptional detail, ensuring you have clear footage. The built-in microphone also provides high-quality audio. The G900 uses a supercapacitor for enhanced safety and durability, unlike traditional batteries. It charges faster and withstands extreme temperatures. The Type-C interface provides rapid data transfer. It features a large 12-inch IPS touchscreen with high light transmittance. The screen provides a clear view even in bright sunlight or at night. The design perfectly integrates with your rear-view mirror. The rear camera is equipped with WDR technology and a large f1.5 aperture. This allows it to capture clear images in various lighting conditions. You'll get excellent night vision, both front and rear. It offers comprehensive protection with loop recording, G-sensor, and parking monitoring. The GPS tracking records your speed and location. It provides reliable evidence in any situation. What we like. This rear-view mirror camera boasts 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, ensuring high-quality footage. The supercapacitor and USB-C offer enhanced durability and faster charging. If you are looking for top-tier video quality and advanced features, it's a perfect choice. What people say. The mirror has a great picture and is easy to see. The camera quality is excellent. The installation was easy. Number 1. GROWNSY Baby Car Camera with HD Display. This HD camera is a great alternative to traditional baby car mirrors. It offers night vision and a wide viewing angle, allowing you to easily monitor your baby day and night. You can now enjoy a stress-free drive. Unlike traditional mirrors, this camera has night vision that activates automatically in low light. This feature provides a clear view of your child's activities at night. You can rest assured that your baby is always in sight. Experience crystal clear views of your child with this camera. It features a 120 degrees ultra-wide lens, providing high-quality images of the entire back seat on the monitor. Stay connected with your baby on every journey. The special mounting method and anti-shake technology keep the camera firmly in place. You can enjoy safe and stress-free driving without distractions. It keeps your baby safe from risks. Installing this camera is a breeze, with no tools required. It can be easily fixed to the headrest. The monitor is easy to set up and can be plugged into the cigarette lighter. It's a wonderful baby shower gift. What we like. This baby car camera offers a wide view with its 120-degree lens and features upgraded night vision for clear monitoring. The easy installation makes it a breeze to set up. If you are looking for a simple, yet effective solution to keep an eye on your baby, this is the one for you. What people say. Super easy to set up. Follow the instructions. I did it by myself with a 2-month-old. The hardest part was adjusting the straps to make sure the camera angle was what I wanted. The camera is great. This camera is so awesome. It sits in the gap between the headrest and seat, so even if you aren't traveling with your children in car seat, someone can still sit in that seat without having to remove the camera. It is powered by a cord that plugs into your cigarette lighter. The screen is on the smaller side, which I actually prefer. You can mount it on your dash, vent, or lean it up in the space on front of the gear shift like I do. It has a great picture and I especially love the night vision feature. You can see your child with 100% clarity even in the dark. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.